Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Pro on a Jaguar F-Pace 2022. So the way it works, if a thief copied the key, got in the vehicle, started it up, as soon as they put it in gear, you're going to see the vehicle cut out, so they're unable to drive it off. There you see, it's died. So what the customer has to do, start the vehicle up, either go through a push sequence, so for now we've done 1, 2, 3. Hear a disarm tone, select their gear and drive away. Or if they don't want to do a pin code, just turn their Bluetooth on their connected phone, start the car, you hear it disarm straight away with the phone in their pocket, and they can drive off. Vehicle doesn't cut out. Customer can set their own code from 3 to 21 presses, and how they do that is first they have to disarm the system. So we've got the phone in range, so it's disarmed, then we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll turn the ignition off and back on. We'll get 5 bleeps. And it's ready to learn. So we'll just pop a new code in of 1, 2, 3. Wait for a confirmation. And repeat it one more time. So 1, 2, 3. Wait for a second confirmation. And that's the new code learnt, so we'll turn the vehicle off. We'll give it 10 seconds to set, turn the Bluetooth off on the connected phone, and now we'll start it up. Now it's set. Pop the new code in. 1, 2, 3. Hear the disarm tone. Now we can select our gear and drive off. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a Starline Pro fitted to a 2022 Jaguar F-Type. Thanks for watching.